So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up and install Vizio Soundbar to LG TV, HDMI ARC, Optical and Simplink. Step 1 is physical connection. Option A, best HDMI, eARC and ARC. Connect one end of a high-speed HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the soundbar. Plug the other end into the HDMI ARC or eARC port on the LG TV. This setup allows control of the soundbar volume using the LG TV remote. Option B is optical cable. Remove protective caps from both ends of the digital optical cable. Connect one end to the optical out and digital audio out from the port LG TV. Connect the other end of the optical in port of the Vizio soundbar. Second step is configure LG TV audio setting. Press the setting gear button on the LG TV remote. Navigate to all settings, then sound off, out or audio output. Select HDMI ARC or optical based on the cable used. Go to advanced setting. Then select the digital sound output to PCM or auto pass-through. Third step is configure Vizio soundbar setting. Turn on the soundbar using the Vizio remote or the button on the soundbar. Press the input button to cycle through available input. Select HDMI or optical depending on the cable used. Confirm the input matches the selected cable. Test the volume to ensure sound is functioning properly. Thanks for watching.